Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a journal mid-monthly reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of this month, August 2025. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific kind of reading, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And I'm really sorry about the background noise. It's going to be there for at least 15-20 days, so bear with me. It's the festival season started in India, in Mumbai especially, so just enjoy. Okay, let's start. The overall energy for the rest of the month of August 2025 for Libra. Let's see. We have the Eight of Wands. Things will start moving in a very fast pace in your life. If you were feeling stagnant in your life, in maybe certain areas of your life, and you were not able to give the direction or the pace to your life, now things will start going in a very positive direction and in a very fast pace. And you are going to be very much in passionate kind of energy, and this kind of energy of let's do it. Let's give my life a little bit of push so that things can start going in a fast pace. Okay, that is going to be your overall energy, and you are going to be, for most of you, you are going to be either traveling literally, and or you are going to start living your life on a fast pace, at least for this time, for the time being. Whatever stagnant works, whatever delays, postponements and issues you are facing in your life right now, you are going to be focused on working on them, and either like removing them properly from your life or doing something about it and getting the shit done. Okay, that is going to be your overall energy. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, Libra. The more I'm trying to like speak louder, the more the music is getting louder, so I should keep my original pace. I hope you guys are able to listen to me. Let me know in the comment section if there is any issue in the voice. I'll try to figure out some solution maybe tomorrow. Let's see. In the recent past, we had the Chariot. So you were very determined. You were like, okay, no matter what is going to come towards me, no matter what what I'm going to lose on this path, I am going to keep moving forward in a particular direction, and I'm not going to listen to anybody. I don't care about the pros and cons. I don't care about the black or white. All I know is I have to keep moving forward because I know what I want and I want to get it. Currently, we have the Hanged Man. Now you are in the surrender mode. So you took the action in the recent past, or at least you had the desire to take the action in a particular direction. Now you're kind of in the surrender mode and like in this chilling phase, taking a chill pill kind of energy and just being in this energy of, okay, let's see. Let's chill and let's see. Okay. By the end of this month, we have the King of Wands, and then the energy surge is going to come back again. It's like you wearing your heart on your sleeves and trying to get something done. You're like, okay, let's do it again. Right now you are in the taking a pause kind of energy. Let's clarify the Chariot in the recent past. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the King of Swords and the Ace of Swords, right? So something shifted in your energies big time in the recent past. Suddenly out of the blue you got the proper clarity, proper understanding and proper knowledge of, you can say, what you really wanted to do in your life and how you are going to proceed further in that direction. It's just like as if one day you woke up and you felt like, okay, the path is clear and the path is right in front of me, and all I have to do is just walk on this path, and I'm going to achieve the success and the victory that I am waiting for from quite a long time. And you were very determined, mind you. In the recent past, you were like, okay, I got the clarity, I got the understanding, I know the path, let's do it. It was so sudden. It's like a shift in your perspective, a shift in your clarity and understanding of how your life should be in a particular direction. Okay, or in general, maybe like a a sum up of all of your life, right? Currently we have the Hanged Man. Let's clarify. It's like taking a chill pill and just being in the surrender mode. trying to see things from a different perspective, from a different angle. Let's see. We have the Hanged Man, the Nine of Swords, and the Seven of Wands. You are a little bit stressed out by your own thoughts. So whatever mental clarity, whatever path you were choosing in the recent past, or like the path you were walking on, currently you are doubting the path a little bit. You're like, okay, I am walking on this path, but I highly doubt it if it is the right path for me or not. Should I just keep myself here only, keep myself protected, and just stay here only, or should I keep moving forward and do something about something? I don't know what that is. Now you're doubting the path, and now you're trying to figure it out, like if this is the right path for you, if this is the right direction for you, or you should do something else, or you should just stay here because you're comfortable. Wherever you are, you're comfortable. Yeah. Now you're kind of in this energy of should I or should I not. And it's like your mind playing tricks on you, because you were so clear in the recent path. Now mind is like, are you sure? Are you 1,000% sure this is the thing, this is the path, and this is something that you want? Or should we just take a break and think about it? And the more you are trying to figure it out, the more it's becoming stressful for you. God. And by the end of this month, we have the King of Wands. Let's clarify this. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and this is Nine of Cups. Yeah. Okay, so you are going to find this balance within yourself. You are going to find this is going to be a perfect match of passion and grounded energies, passion and practicality together. And you're going to be creating some kind of wish fulfillment by your own actions, by your own energies. You're going to be like, okay, let me go in this direction, even if your mind is going to play tricks on you, like, no, this is not the right path and we have to figure it out, and maybe we should like stay here only, or maybe we should wait a little bit longer, because I don't think so, I highly doubt this is our path or something. But then you are going to get up one day and you are going to be like, okay, I have to go on this path and see for myself if this is going to bring me the happiness, the wish fulfillment that I'm hoping for, or is it just my mind playing tricks on me? Yeah. And the moment you are going to take the action with a fearless kind of attitude, you are actually going to find the balance. You're actually going to find the grounded kind of energy within yourself only, and you will be able to create some kind of wish fulfillment by your own actions. If you are going to keep yourself stuck in the energy that you are currently in, you will not be able to get this wish fulfillment or desire. If you are going to feel like, okay, I have to check for myself if maybe my mind is lying to me, and the moment you are going to again take the action from your side in order to achieve something good in your life, you are going to end up achieving that. And the beautiful thing here is it's a mix of beautiful energy of let's do it, plus let's remain practical about it, let's remain grounded about it. It's a beautiful blend of practicality plus groundedness. Boom, wish fulfillment. Nice. I like it. For you, the guidance is the King of Wands, right? You have to face the fears. Once you will be able to learn the art of facing your fears head on, you are going to realize that actually there was no fear. There was nothing stopping you from achieving what you really, really want to achieve in your life except your own mind. It was just an illusion, because we are so used to stay wherever we are. Even if we are in miserable energies, in miserable conditions, we are comfortable and used to circumstances that if something new or someone new is going to show up in your life, our mind is going to create stories and stop us from going in a particular direction that's unknown, that's uncomfortable. And it's perfectly normal. It happens with all of us, right? But the good thing is that you are going to listen to your heart, listen to your gut, and you are going to be like, okay, let's do it. And then you are going to create this wish fulfillment. Awesome. Very good. Let's see the final guidance from the angel messages cards for you. I'm going to read the guidance only. A lot of people like these, so I thought of adding these in these readings. We have a sudden revolution that offers freedom, break free of procrastination. So right now, maybe this is procrastination. You are just delaying a process, right? So get break free from that. Embrace the opportunities that change brings. Yeah, just go ahead and face the fears, and change will bring you the opportunities that you're looking forward to have. The same message, the same guidance, just a confirmation. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.